reviewing the world down under.
Hey, g'day everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. Hope life is being kind to you all. So I'm going to do something a little bit different. I've got a couple of car items, little bits of tech for the car that I want to have a look at. So I thought rather than sitting at a desk in front of a computer, I'd actually do it in the car so that I can go through a couple of these items with you. So the first thing today we're going to be looking at is a Ugreen 3-in-1 charger solution for the car. Obviously I've used Ugreen for a lot of stuff in the past. I like their products. They've always been reliable, they've always been good to me, so I thought maybe I would start taking a look at, you know, what they offer for charging in the car. Okay, so with regards to this charger, it's a fast car charger with a retractable cable. So as we know, it's all about speed. This charger delivers a massive 75 watts of total power output. It does have a retractable USB-C cable that charges your devices. It will even do laptops and iPads with up to 60 watts of power just through the cable. The dedicated USB-C and USB-A ports each provide up to 30 watts of output. It does support a wide range of protocols like Power Delivery 3, Quick Charge 3, SCP and AFP, and it even includes PPS 25 watts for your Samsung Galaxy devices. And this will charge 3 devices simultaneously without sacrificing speed. So the integrated circuitry will equal the power across all 3 depending on what is connected. The beauty of this product is the fact that it is a clutter-free retractable cable. I'm all for this. It's become a new trend with chargers now, where they seem to be including a cable fully retractable within the power bank or the charger, and even now a car charger. Like I say, I think it's a great idea because you're not messing around making sure that you have a cable that is up to the specs of the charger. You know fully well with the cable that's included in this, certainly retractable, it's going to be up to the specifications of this charger. So we know it's going to easily do 60 watts out of that one cable. The cable will extend up to 75 meters, or it's just 29.5 inches, which is again going to be a perfect length for anyone that's sat in the car. Literally pull it out, it's going to be a click lock system, and then you pull it a little bit more to release it and it will automatically retract back inside. Okay, so here it is. This is what the box actually looks like. As you can see, just typical Ugreen fashion. The specs according to the back of the box is compatible with an input of 12 to 24 volts at 9 amps max. So you're going to be able to use it in trucks as well as cars, because a lot of trucks run on 24 volts. So the USB-A output is 5 volts at 3 amps, 9 volts at 3 amps, 10 volts at 2.25 amps, and 12 volts at 2.5 amps. The USB-C output is 5 volts at 3 amps, 9 volts at 3 amps, and 12 volts at 2.5 amps. And then you have the USB-C cable output, which obviously has the most specifications on it. It's 5 volts at 3 amps, 9 volts at 3 amps, 12 volts at 3 amps, 15 volts at 3 amps, 20 volts at 3 amps maximum. It has a peak output power of 75 watts. So right now I'm going to unbox it so you can have a quick look at it. I'm going to plug it into the car. My car's already running. I don't like to have anything running in the car while it's just because of the battery. I don't want to deplete the battery. As we all know, it costs a lot of money to replace the batteries in the car these days, and I have had to change mine in my car. So I decided anything I do when it comes to charging, I'm going to be running the car. So I'll unbox it, have a quick look at it, we'll plug it in. I've brought my trusty meter with me. I've got a nearly empty iPad Air 13-inch. We'll plug it in using the included cable and we'll see what kind of wattage we get. Okay guys, I've positioned the camera around just to make it a little bit easier for you to see exactly where we are, but there we go. Okay, very simple little box, simple presentation, a couple of little user manuals. We all know what's happens to them, don't we? Okay, so there you go. Very small, very discreet. So we just take that little protector off. So as you can see, that is yeah, 75 meters. That's quite a long cable, so it's going to be plenty big enough. And again, once it locks, just pull it a little bit and then it goes back. So there we have the other USB-C slot right next to it, and then we have a USB-A slot there. So I'm going to plug this into my trusty gauge, plug it into the car, and then I will plug it into the iPad. Okay, you can see there I've got a very empty iPad. It's only sitting at 6%. But if I bring that up, so it's picking up, it's just climbing up to around 28, 29 watts at the moment. It's just pushing into the iPad. 14.99 volts and 1.94 amps. Okay, as you can see now, the wattage is slowly climbing. It's just on 33 watts now. I'm not sure on the total charging specifications of the iPad Air M2. It's either 35 watts or 45 watts. But right now, as you can see, it's charging at 33 watts. Yeah, it seems to be sitting at around 33.5 to 34 watts, which is plenty enough just to top up your iPad if you need to. The only reason I would consider something like this is because sometimes I do go out, I like to fly my drone. If I wanted to do some editing in the field, you know, just importing my drone footage and then doing some editing from the car, this gives me the capacity to be able to charge my drone at up to 60 watts from this one cable. And obviously if the power goes out in the iPad or the phone, I can literally charge them at the same time. So yeah, so that's that. It does what it's meant to do. It does what it says on the tin. Like I say, if I ever need to be able to charge a couple of devices on the go, as you know, if you've watched my previous videos, you know I do travel, you know, doing FIFO to different mine sites in Australia working. I do sometimes have company vehicles, so this is something I'm going to be keeping in my bag with me. It's very small and discreet, very light, easy to carry, and this will allow me to be able to charge devices while I'm in the company car. Even a truck, like I say, accepts 24 volts, so this will go into a heavy rigid truck as well. So yeah, there you go. The quality of it is nice. It does what it says on the tin, nice and easy. Amazon are currently doing these. They do have some discounts sometimes. I think Prime Day has just finished, but again, it's always worth putting it into your basket or putting it into your wish list and then saving or waiting for the next sale. But yeah, I'll throw the link up in the description anyway. If you want to just click that, it'll take you straight to the link. There is no affiliate links or anything like that. You know, this is all purchased with my own money. It's not sponsored. They haven't sent it to me for free for a biased review. This is all just my own products. I just like to share the unboxings with you and just give you an honest opinion of how they look and how they work. And this one is good. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope this video has helped you. If it has in any way, please do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'm really trying to grow this channel. I would like to get the viewership up. I would like to get the subscription numbers up, because it will just encourage me to keep on making more videos, and you know, at the end of the day, I will knock out as many as I can. But thank you for watching, and like I always say, don't let life get you down, and take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.
Reviewing the world down under.